you're not on sea, you're on land only. That is their, I think, first prerogative to make you feel at home. Air though, like every time we travel, and train of course, but it's little time consuming, that's it. Nice evening, and what really feel as an actor is when you connect sailing with being an artist, is that even an artist sails through the crisis and the good and bad times in life. And sailing is also, in some way talking about handling crisis and dealing with the, waves, the ocean, because the ocean is not always good. It has a lot to say about our own life. So it has a very, surrealistic connectivity.